So your first step when you are creating a form on Office 365 is going to be to log into Office 365. So if you haven't yet logged in, please do that now. Once you're logged into Office 365, you will need to choose the Form app from our list of apps. You might see a message that lets you know your apps are ready, or you might have to click on that grid in the top left corner. I'm going to zoom in on it. It looks like that to find the Form app. But then you can click on it. And then you will choose the option to create a new form. Once you click on Create, you can click where it says Untitled Form, and you can change the title to something that relates to your topic. It probably should be something that you're trying to find out through your research. I'm just going to put, do you know how to make a form? And then you simply click Add Question. And there are a few different types of question options that you could choose from. Multiple choice is probably one of the easier ones to choose. So you could click Choice, and then maybe you're going to put, do you know how to make a form? And then you type in your options. Yes, no, maybe. Some of them are there for you, some you can type in on your own. Or you could make it a text question. So if you choose a text question, I'm going to just show you an example. Do you know how to make a form? This time, the person would be able to type their answer. Yes, I know. No, I'm not sure. Or the third type of question option would be a rating. So, do you know how to make a form? You can choose a star, a number. You can choose the levels you want to give it. So those are the three types of question options. I would really recommend that you don't create any more than 10 questions. Even 10 is kind of a lot. You don't want to overwhelm the people who are taking your survey. When you are finished, you can change the theme if you'd like. You can do that by clicking on the theme button. And you can change the color, you can change the pictures. And if you want to see what your form looks like, click the preview button. Okay. Now, the last part, this is really important. This is how you will share your form. So when you think it's complete, when you think it's ready to be shared, click the share button. Then you'll see an option. It will say only people in my organization can respond. You want to drag down to anyone with the link can respond. That way, if you want to send it to one of your cousins, or if you would like me to send it to students in another school, that way they will be able to access the form. And when you're finished, you will copy the link and you will email me the link so I can post it for you. So that's how to create a form on Office 365.